Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Okay, subscribe the channel of Techno Designers or Heroic Designers. So let's begin with the tutorials. Today I'm going to explain you that how I have made this crankshaft. Okay, on the before video I have made this piston head where I explained that what I have actually done and what I have done. Okay, so here you can see the piston head was ready. Okay, let me control for. Okay, so you can see the visuals. Okay, it's very looking very awesome. So now today I'm going to make a crankshaft. Okay, let me make a crankshaft. Okay, you know actually where we use the crankshaft. Actually, this is for the engine system. We use this crank and shaft. Let's begin. So starting with this, I have made one sketch. Okay, we have made one sketch ready, and from we can rotate and see this is a 2D. Okay, we have made a 2D diagram, and after that we will use a 3D. Now I'm going to explain you how to make this 3D. Okay, so basically this we have a command. These are the 3D commands. Okay, if you want to the 2D, for example, if you want a different views. Okay, let me first start with the views, different type of views. These are the top views. Okay, these are the side left views, and these are the bottom views, and okay, and this is back views. So these are the different views from which you can view this diagram. This is our sketch, and you can go for a 2D. If you want to make a 2D sketch on this, so you can go for a 2D sketch over here. After that you select your line command. You can triangle. You are getting different types of command. Okay, let me begin with the this video that how I have actually made. Okay, let me start. Okay, let me start. Okay, first of all, what I have done, I have made this diagram ready. Then after that I have used the extrude command. Then after that I have just gone for extrude, and see how we have extruded. See, this is how we have extruded. And then what we have started again. We have gone for another extrude. Okay, so extrude means we have extrude this part and this part. So you can see these are the two different body parts. This upper one and this lower one are different body parts. So we will extrude again, and see, you can see that our body is ready. It's totally extruded. Okay, so what I have done, I have just first of all made a 2D diagram, and then I have made 3D of it by using different types of tools. Okay, so these are not ready from perspective of 3D. It is ready, but for the piston rod to be ready and the crankshaft to be ready, you have to just first of all make sure that it you have added the mechanical property. For example, fillet command is used like this. Okay, you can go there and you can do fillet. You can go for 3 fillet, so it will just fillet. Okay, these are the ways you have to do fillet. I have already done fillet command. Okay, I have done fillet, so you can see this now. This is gone for this is, you can see it has already done a fillet. So you know why we do fillet actually we do fillet because of increasing the mechanical property. You know, the breaking property of the material reduce from the cross section when you add a fillet command. For example, if you have a fillet, if you do not fillet, so the force endurance limit got increased. So because of that, your material maybe break too quickly. So we use different type of properties like notching, like fillet, and different types of properties which we use around the cross sections areas or any types of areas. So let's begin. So we have done this. Then after that we have users plane. So I want to say you have something about the offset plane. So you can just offset your planes from here, and you can choose anything where if you want to offset this one, so you can click here and you can offset from here. Okay, so from here you can do it. So after that you can extrude again. Let me extrude and show you all. Okay, so this is our diagram which got ready. Okay, you can see it's got ready. We have put it the you can see here, you can put these are our diagram which got ready. Let me show you something. Okay, so I'm adding this piston rod. I'm telling, let me move. No, sorry. Let me put this inside. Okay, I have just put it this piston rod inside. Okay, okay. I got this piston rod over piston head over here. Okay, piston, you know na, engine we are using, so you can move. And and you can move, yes, yeah, it's already done. And okay, so your piston and this is already got ready. So if you want to rotate, if you want to, let me put F4. Okay, so you can see the visuals. Okay, let me take out the sketch. Okay, it looks awesome. Now let's remove the construction. So you can see I have put a link. I have not put the real body, I have just put it the link. Let me assemble it. Let me build up joints, and I have selected revolve command, and I will use a components. Okay, I have this use this component, I have used this component, and from here it will rotate. Okay, yeah, you can see it's animating. So okay, in this tutorial I have just explained you something about built-in functions, something about the extrude command, and something about a sketch command. In next tutorial I will explain you some the advanced function of this software, and plus I will explain you some different types of model or different types of projects. Thank you very much.